mommy.
The incident happened.
Oh, yun.
Don't talk when your mouth is
Then,
full.
Your storytelling, bro. You proceed.
You proceed to the...
Ikaw na kayo.
Go ahead.
Ikaw na kayo nakakatawa ka.
What
What
happened?
happened to the elevator?
What happened?
What happened to the elevator?
I don't know. Because,
Oh,
Because ha?
what?
when the elevator is
Going down.
going down to the basement,
Uh-huh.
ground floor,
Basement auto eh.
yes.
Yes.
Then open the door.
Yeah.
Open the door.
Me,
You go first.
yeah, I go first. And the remaining balance,
The remaining people.
I give. I said the remaining people, Ira and Mommy, steady.
Steady. Why steady? They can't move?
No.
Oh, what happened?
They
Frustrated.
no. They waited
Why didn't
the operator.
What happened to the
The
elevator?
operator is bakla.
Oh, it's gay. Oh, Sisi. Just like that?
Tibo!
It's a lesbian.
Lesbian.
Yeah.
What happened to the elevator?
So it's a boy.
No, lesbian
That's why it's a boy. Girl.
girl boy.
Bakla tomboy.
Oh yes.
It's a tomboy.
No. Then when the when I don't know what's wrong with the one.
My wife.
My wife. Where's your wife?
Remaining balance.
What happened to your wife?
I don't know.
And then,
Where's my wife?
POV niya pala yun, POV niya pala
Did you look for your wife? Where's
No.
my wife? No.
Ira tell
Ira.
You tell Ira or you call Ira?
The security guard is
Coming to town.
First aid.
Ano pa nga yung nangyari? Hindi pa kanya alam mo nangyari.
What happened?
Hindi pa nagkikinto talaga.
he ride the stretcher.
What
Why?
happened nga to the
What
elevator?
happened?
Hindi pa nagtatawag.
Yun ang
The
tanong.
elevator, when the door is closed, you can go out.
Why?
Can-
Why?
can-
Why?
Because
The elevator, the door,
the door is
Malfunction.
broken down to pieces.
Malfunction.
Malfunction and mommy.
Mommy
Hit by the
cannot
hit,
move
hit by the bell.
And then,
because he's stuck up. He's stuck.
And after that,
and then,
If I have a gun, I will.
Biang-biang daw.
Yes.
Why?
Why? We have elevator is very no function at all.
Oh, so you're angry.
Yes, my angry is.
Angry!
Angry Bird.
It's your wife. That's my wife.
That's my wife. I love my wife.
love my
very
wife.
much.
Very
It's
much.
very amazing.
And then you.
It's very amazing.
It's very amazing.
Then what happened after that?
After that, he proceed to clinic and SM
Yeah.
management.
Then where are you at
Then
that time?
Ira accompany her.
Then you, where are you?
We're steady and
Steady.
we're standby.
Where?
By the bell.
We're in the wood.
You're in the woods. Napunta ka ba sa woods? Sa woods.
Then after that,
After that, when mommy is
already checked by the doctor.
checking, Ira is also
Checking.
reporting to us that no, we have
Incident report.
incident report agreement that mommy could
Mami.
Uy, Diyos ko, buti na lang nainom ko na. Inubuga ko na naman. Person.
Okay, okay.
Did you
Thank you.
understand
Thank you
the
very much.
question?
I
Or
love
the
you.
story?
Your English is improve.